Hey guys, what's up? My name is Brad. I'm one of the co-founders for WhipSmart, and you kind of see a lot of me on a lot of these YouTube videos. And here partly to announce the release of our GED app. And so we're very excited to have another app on the iOS App Store, and also to just kind of tell you a little bit about why we built this and how we built it. So a lot of the feedback that we got when we first started building this app for both for the ASVAB, which is already out, and the GED, is we had a lot of people who were really frustrated with math, and kind of they think they were never good at math, and really struggle to get like a decent score on the math portions of their test when they were taking their practice test. And so what we really built was just sort of like a lot of like foundational videos. And so within our apps are, between, I think the ASVAB has about 50 videos, the GED has even more like 70, but there's a big focus there on math and kind of working through the problem slowly and giving you a bunch of examples to help you go step by step to kind of build up the math confidence so that you're able to go and really get a great score on these tests, right? So, a lot of times with confidence in math it's something that people, I think, built, a long time ago when they were little kids. Like the first steps in math didn't go well, and then people just believe, oh, I'm not a math person. And so we really believe anybody could learn this stuff, and I think you'll find the app to be really engaging and interactive with points and challenges and different things that make it seem much better than your traditional form of learning. Certainly much better than a book. I hope so, because that was one of our main things, was like it has to be better than a book, and cheaper too. So anyway, it's a free install where you can try it out, so you got nothing to lose. If you are on Android and you don't have an iPhone, then I would recommend taking a look at a lot of the videos. Anyway, happy to respond to any comments you guys have. Just leave them and we'll get back to you pretty quickly. All right, thanks.